Fishing, August 24th, Saturday, high tide, 12 o'clock. Water temperature, 71.4 degrees. It's 8 o'clock right now, 8:15. We are pulling out of the slip. We are going to head, I'm thinking we're going to head out front for a little bit, see if I can catch a bunch of little croakers that have been schooled up heavily along the beach out front of the island. And then I'm going to come in the back and use those croakers, those little croakers, to fish for flounder. Got a hot tip that's been working, and we'll see if it pays off. See if, you know, we got to catch them first. So we got 4 hours of incoming tide still, so that's good. High tide's like 12:20 or something like that, 12:23. So I'm in good shape that way. So we're going to give it a shot. Guys, don't forget that link down below for sword knives. Help support the channel, especially if you need a fillet knife or a sharpener. I have the 7-inch flexi, and that flexi is sexy. Visit my friends, Flatty Mafia. Also, they're the makers of lip glue, right? I put that shit on everything. Signal11lures.com. Check Flatty Mafia out and Signal 11 Lures and lip glue all over social media. Instagram, YouTube, you name it. I'm not YouTube, I'm sorry, but Facebook. They're there. Like, subscribe, say your prayers to the man upstairs. Let's go out and have an incredible day. Go fishing. All right, let's see what we got here. Definitely marking stuff, that's for sure. All right, let's go. We're gonna go with fish bites, saltwater fish bites. See if we can put a couple. See if we can put a couple tasty treats in the live well. What do you think? Alrighty, B Stav Fishing Nation. I started out using fish bites on a bottom sweeper jig. Unfortunately, I think the hook was just a little too big for the fish that were down there. And it wasn't until I switched up to such smaller hooks that I started actually catching fish. The target species were like 3 to 4 inch croakers. And there was a little mixed bag of some very small weakfish and one pesky bluefish. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I should be out here tog fishing. Dummy, he's so dumb. Maybe I'll come down tomorrow. All right, let's go stealth mode, everybody. Everybody. Trolling motor, deploy. Yep, we got blue light. I didn't check that this morning. Normally I check that. A little bit of a breeze. Oh my God, get down there, Bob, will you, for God's sakes. Playing up here for some old ass lead here that I got from friends, and I should just put the jig head that I was using on there. The bottom sweeper, but I'll use this here. And we're going to use a little ingenuity. I couldn't find my sabiki rig. I don't know. Knowing me, I probably pulled them out already in preparation for Florida, like a dipshit. But let's cut this down a little bit. A little scissor. Give them a little something something on these little floaters. Little. Actually, I should even go smaller pieces than that, quite frankly. In fact, once I get this on the hook, I just might get that hook in there. I'm going to cut that in half. A little. Boom. Go like that. And we'll use this other piece on the other one. Let's go here. See if we can get some free bait. I hope this little rig holds up. I hope I don't put a hook in my hand. Let's see. Oh, we got something. What do we have? Please don't be a weak fish. Oh God, are you serious? Tell me it's a little blue. A little blue fish? Oh, of all things not that I want. The one thing I didn't want was a bluefish. You're gonna get me hooked. One thing I didn't want was a little blue. God, they stink. Dude, I'm trying to get rid of you. Damn, you got hooked hard. There we go. Let go. Help! You almost got me. Get out of here. Freaking thing almost bit me. That little blue a-hole, he took a swipe at me right before I let him go. He almost got me. Oh, yes. Oh, what do we got? Oh my God, the smallest weak fish. Oh my gosh. I heard there's weak fish down there. Obviously now there's little blues down there. Man, I'll tell you what, these little, whoop, beat it. Something, target species, acquired. Get in here. Let's spot lock over top of that. That might be a school of them. All right. That's a start. That's the start. Turn the aerator on. You know, I thought I jinxed myself because I put the stem in the aerator. Man, look at this nonsense. Boy, this water's horrible. Disgusting. All right. Man, somebody's weight got me good. Jeez. Somebody's weight got me good. All right, let's get back down and see if we can get another one. A little something small again. Could it be target species? No. Freaking weak fish. Why are you here? I don't want you. Don't take offense or nothing, but I don't want you. Do not want you, buddy. Got me all jacked up here, too. Alright, guys, this is kind of fun. Trying to catch bait, right? Trying to catch bait. And I definitely would like a lot more. Half a dozen would be great, but right now, I'm lucky if I can catch a second one. We'll see. Whoa, something just slammed me. That's going to be a blue fish or a weak fish. Wow. That thing's, whatever that was, just set the hook on itself. Weak fish. Gosh almighty. Man, that slammed me. Woo. slammed me. Yo, Weeky. Yo, Weakers. Yo, Weeks. Not living up to your name here. I'm trying to get you unhooked here and you're not helping me. I don't want to bust your lip. Hang on here. Hang on, we'll get you. We'll get you out. Going straight to the bottom. Come on, where are the... Oh, there's the power sailor. Oh, there's something. Ah, it's got the weak fish feel, the way it hit. Another weak. Oh my goodness. All right, let's do this so we don't get all tangled up like we did last time. Get you flicked off of here. There we go. A little weak. Adios, amigos. Weaky be gone. Yes. Maybe not. All right. Spot lock. Spot lock-a-rooney. That's another. Speaking of spot lock. Croaker. Croakers and spots. Flip his ass right into the water. He's like, hey, what's going on in here, Charlie? Just don't look like home, Johnny. Oh, man. That slammed me. Call me another weak fish or a bluefish. Weakers. God, these are little weaks. Come on, shake it off, shake it off. Do your best. Nope. Yeah. Get the trolling motor down. Had the trolling motor strapped down too. You know what? Why not? You're hustling out there. Why take a chance on busting your trolling motor, right? Take me a split second, half a second. All right, I think I'm gonna have to use the trolling motor to go into the wind. See what we're doing here. Should be an incoming. Let's see. Okay. Little something I haven't done in a while. Total camera faux pas. Get a great hook set on film. And then I shut my camera off thinking I was turning it on. 1, 2, 3. Let him have it. Dummy. Guys, I hope I caught that flounder on camera. I'll be so mad if I didn't. It was 16 and a half, almost 17-inch flounder. Something bit the croaker in half. And, you know, it could have been a bluefish, could have been a flounder. Most likely bluefish, but you never know. And then bang. So something bit the croaker, and then I got a flounder. Go figure. I'm gonna grab him with my hands. Not happening. Oh, okay. Oh, all right, player. I got you, player. I see you, Mr. Player. These little guys flare their gills, and I'm telling you, those flared gills hurt. Like, they hurt. They hurt. They hurt so bad. Move that. Let's get this guy on, and then we'll continue our drift. I'm gonna hook you through your snooter. There. This way you can still at least open your mouth and breathe. And run. Alright guys, let's go. I can't believe I think I screwed up with the camera, you dum-dum. I haven't done that in a while. Man, I really thought I had a, thought for sure I had a flounder on the croaker, but something chomped him. All right, let's get this going. Stand by. All right, guys. I am screwing up left and right with this camera today. I don't know what's going on. That's what happens. I'm using live bait and I'm all screwed up. Yo, what's going on, guys?
We're going right here.
Guy jumping right in front of me?
Right here.
Good. I've caught a couple right here.
What's up, buddy?
Nothing. What's happening? How are you? It's the Bowen boys, James and Jimmy. Jimmy's father and son. Funny story. See how they jumped right in front of me, cut my drift off? We do this to each other all the time. Well, back in 2020, when there was an abundance of flounder in the back bays, they called me over one time. I had somebody on board. They're like, yo, come on over here. We just caught 5 fish right here. And I jumped right in front of them and cut their drift off and caught 3 fish. So we kind of joke about it. And any chance we get to cut each other off, we do it. But good stuff, good people. Are you bringing it up to ramming speed? What's that? You're killing me here, dude.
Wouldn't be worth the hassle.
Nah. Jesus Christ, you didn't change course for shit.
What's that?
I said you didn't even change course for shit. You're still sore about me and Kim jumping in your
We jumped right in front of you, didn't we?
Yeah, I don't get.
I feel bad about it. I got a clear conscience about this.
I know. Oh God, that's funny. Alrighty, B Stav Fishing Nation. I'll tell you what. I didn't do anything with the croakers. I lost that one. I hooked through its nose. I have no idea how. But strong finish coming up behind the houses. Oh boy. Short. Get in the boat.
It's for sure. Come in, Charles. Buddha. Mark, is that you and the Philly hooker?
Yeah, we haven't been. We're out of swords.
Yeah.
You're out of here, huh?
You know what? This one might be close.
You on the radio? Oh, yeah.
You're a real fucking ray of sunshine, you know that?
That's better than no fish.
I'm not even putting it on the floor. I'm not even taking the slime off his belly. Go find your dad. Gone. Oh man, he went straight to the bottom. All right, let's give us a shot. Big Ed Sloop. Scooby-Doo. Guys, recharge your baits. Recharge your gulp, right? Charge your gulp. Never hurts. The only thing, just a matter of it's one extra step, that's all, right? One extra step. Coming off the spot lock. Let's get this drifter going. We're almost at the top of the tide. Water's definitely cleaner. They're going to reset their drift there. I want to slide up here in the Big Ed Slough. See if I can. Oh God. Uh-oh. Man, that felt like it had some shoulders. And he was gone. Clear water too. Nice clear water. That's 5, right? 4, 5. I'm sorry. We are at 6. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's put a fresh one on. That's all pink. Let's go with that. Why not? What's the worst could do? Not work? Not catch a keeper?
Any captain, why aren't there so many boats about a mile and a half off of the GE inlet? Don't do it. Don't do it either. Come back in. What is it that's that going, everybody?
A little bit of lip glue. Okay, here we go.
Roger, that snake to the right coming in from the ocean, correct? Correct.
Flounder.
50 yards from the waves. Thanks for coming back. All the doctors know are taken.
Guys, I'm pretty sure that's short, but I'll tell you what. Can't hurt to just practice netting the thing, right? When I finally do catch something decent. Yep, he's short. Get in here. Never hurt. Practice makes perfect. Right? Practice makes perfect. He's short. We're not going to measure him. He's out. Pink did the win here. Pink for the win. Let's go back at it. Keep on keeping on. All right, guys. Let's pull this puppy, blow this popsicle stand, give her one last drift up behind the houses. One last hoorah! Water looks good. Looks good. One last hoorah! Hoorah! Trolling motor down and let's do what we're going to do. Whoop, right down, baby. All right, spot lock for just a second here. Spot lock and hit a dock. Let's go. Time is it? 12:10. Okay, dropping down. Oh boy, guys, that's a flounder. Are you kidding me? It's not a flounder. It's dual sea robins. Dual suicidal sea robins. Are you freaking kidding me? At least one got off so far. This guy here, he's in bad shape. He be gaffed up under his gillers. McGilla gorilla. Uh-oh, I'm gonna start this nonsense again. Roll the shoulders. Roll the shoulders. A little something. Captain Johnny Johansson down in sunny Isle of Marada showed me. Double header sea robin. Why couldn't they be 2 pounds a piece, 3 pounds a piece? Maybe I could have had dinner. That's big. Felt like a flounder anyway. Oh shit. Got him. Look at that. Fell right off. Fell right off. Muddy bottoms. Man, looks big. He ain't. He's small. Short. Short. Almost lost him. And popped right off. He's short. Come close to measuring him. Not even close. Straight to the bottom.
Yeah, we didn't get anything body down there.
Another short flounder. Alright guys, that's double digits. Come on, shake off for me. Cut me a break. The one when I want you to shake off, you don't. Very, very muddy. Oh, this one wasn't coming out. This one's broken jaw. Jeez, this one was in his jaw. Hit a bloodline in the jaw. Get back in there. Going straight to the bottom. See, Robin? Yerp. Yerp. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you there, Boogaloo. Get off. Get the fish off. Get out. Scream and shout. Let's go back down. I like flounder head shakes. Because it's a flounder. Now we are definitely double digits. Even if I messed up in my count, we are 100% double digits. Oh, dude, settle down. Settle, settle. Settle, please. Oh, that was close. Buddy. Buddy.
About to, Rob.
Fighting like a flounder. Oh, that's a flounder.
Steve, we've got 3 more and about a 4-foot rig.
Come on, shake off. And when you want them to, they don't. They are hitting that little silver one. They're hitting that silver one because that's what all the fish is back here. All the bait fish back here. These little silver, whatever. Plus a lot of tiny little menhaden bunker, peanut bunker. Not a bad way to end the day, huh? Alright guys, I'm going to do my outro now and keep fishing. I'm going to fish up behind the boat. See what happens here. Up behind my dock, rather. But right now we're at a dozen short flounder, dozen throwbacks. Listen, I'm just happy to be out here catching. It was fun. We changed things up, went out front, tried to catch our own bait. something bit one of those, something bit one of them in half, and then something ripped the other one off the hook. So, all right, guys, like, subscribe, say your prayers to the man upstairs. Comment down below, how is your season going? Let me know. You know, are you finding that there's just an abundance of short flounder? Because I am. Go fishing. A whole mess of bait fish right here. A whole mess of bait fish right there. There's a whole... Guys, if I had my cast net, and I don't know why I don't, I got to start putting a cast net on board. They are just exploding. Right here. Right here. Now they're running away from the boat. They turned around. They were coming towards the boat. Now they're running away from the boat. They're ahead of the boat. Oh, that's unbelievable. It's like the boat turned them around there and we're chasing them. Look at them. Look at them in front of the trolling motor. Now they just went down. They just... Oh, nope, there they are. I really got to get my casting net down here. I'm not good at it, but I'm good enough. Used the trolling motor. That's great. That's great. Use the trolling motor to pull into the dock. What a dummy. I turned the big motor on just in case, you know, we had to hit the oh shit button. Like, subscribe, say your prayers for the man upstairs. God bless you. God bless America. Go fishing.